Hello everybody, today we'll be applying for a SIN number online. So even if you are new to Canada on a study permit or you recently changed your status from a study permit holder to a work permit holder, the process will be almost the same. So first of all, we'll go to Google and search apply SIN number online. And the first link that appears here will be social insurance number apply canada.ca. We click on this, we scroll down, you are applying for yourself. I am a temporary resident right now, so just to let you guys know, I was on a study permit and I recently got my work permit. So I will select I am a temporary resident. How would you like to apply? I would like to apply online. So here it will display the list of documents that we will need to complete the application. The first one is the primary identity document. This can be your work permit or the study permit. And the second one is the secondary document. This can be your passport or any other government issued ID like your driver's license. The third one is your proof of address. Here we can select from various options like your bank statement or a recent bill payment that contains your address on it, or your lease document that is signed by your landlord. To scroll down, we see the fourth option, which is supporting document. So on the application for a SIN number, if your name is different from what appears on your ID, we will need to attach a document which supports why and how the name was changed. Let's begin. Apply online. I have already read the terms and conditions, so if you want to just take some time and go through those, just go ahead. Just to make it short and quick, I'll agree to the terms and conditions. I have read and I accept the privacy statement. Select the scenario that best describes the situation. I am applying for myself. Next. Scroll down. What is your first given name as it appears on your primary identity document? If your given name has been changed legally, enter it exactly as it appears on your supporting document. So you will have to enter your name exactly as it appears on your ID. As I know in some of your cases you do not have a first name, you just have a last name. In that case, here we will enter N/A and we will enter the name here, and please remember it has to be exactly what it appears on your ID. What was your family name at birth? If your name has not been changed recently, we will enter the same name here as well, the same last name. If you ever used any other family name or single name, you can enter it here. In what country were you born? I was born in India. In what province, territory, or state were you born? So just to let you guys know, this also has to be what exactly appears on your passport. Your place of birth, what has to be the same, what it appears on your passport. Let's scroll down. My date of birth, I'll just put any imaginary numbers here, and when we scroll down, what's your gender? Are you a part of a multiple birth? Like, do you have twins or not? I do not. Have you ever had a SIN? So if you are new to Canada on a study permit, you never had a SIN, we will select no and select your current status in Canada. You are a temporary resident. But if you are changing your status from a study permit to a work permit holder, here we will select yes, we had a SIN. Enter your SIN number here and select the type of application you would like to submit. Here we will select change the status on a SIN record. After that, select your current status in Canada. You are a temporary resident, that's right. Next. Scroll down, you enter a phone number here, and then your address. I'm just gonna put in any imaginary numbers. And when you scroll down, it will ask you for your proof of address. So the address must be same on what we entered in the application. For address, as I told you, you can use your bank statement, a lease document signed by your landlord, or any kind of document that is sent to you by the government. Or what I'm gonna do here is I will upload my driver's license in this section as a proof of address, right? And in the secondary document section, I will add my passport. And please make sure that you do not add the same document in both the sections. For example, you do not have to add the driver's license as the proof of address and also as the secondary document. This will lead to your application being rejected. So in the proof of address, I'll choose file. It should be somewhere here. Driver's license. Open and add file. Scroll down. I confirm that the proof of address provided matches the address above, and understand that if the address does not match, my application will be rejected. Next. Primary identity document. This has to be your study permit or your work permit. We will upload it. And after that, you will have to put the expiry date that appears on your work permit or the study permit. I will just choose any imaginary numbers. Scroll down. This is for the secondary document, and in the secondary document I will be adding my passport. And one more tip for you guys, if you are adding your passport as a secondary document, I would recommend you to scan the first, the last page and all the scanned pages of your passport, just to be on the safe side, and combine that into one PDF and upload that here. Expiry date on the passport. Do all the documents provided contain the first given name, or not available if you don't have a first given name? Yes. Do all the documents provided contain a family name? Yes, they do. Then we go to next. Scroll down. Here you'll have to fill out your parents' name. Click next, and this is the whole review of the application that we filled out. Just take some time to look into each and everything. If you made a mistake, you can correct it still. So I have not entered my SIN number here, but if you are changing your status, you will have to add it. It's always good to add, but it's not mandatory. After checking if everything looks good, we'll select English. I would like to receive an email. You can put your email address here. I'm just adding something imaginary. Print your name. I'll write on my name. I certify that the information provided on the application form is true, accurate, and complete. Yes. And then you can click submit, and your application will be submitted, and you will receive an email as well when it has been submitted and it has been processed. It usually takes around 10 days for the application to be processed, and they will mail out the SIN number to you at your mailing address, and then you're good to go. Thank you for watching the video, and if you liked it, please consider liking and commenting on the video, and even subscribing the channel. And if you would like me to make any other kind of videos, informational videos, just drop a comment below, and I will check that out and work on it. Thank you.